Hey everyone, this is Heeva from Flush, and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 2-pack and 3-pack zipper style insert sets. This assembly video is going to be specifically for the wooden wick or a vessel, and here today we have the 3-pack. So the 3-pack comes with a box and insert, and depending on the quantity you order, the box and the insert can be nicked together like that or separated already, but for right now we'll just make sure the box is separated. We'll put that off to the side and we'll start with the insert. So the 3-pack insert pieces are going to be nicked together. The first step is going to be to break each one of these apart and set the pieces aside and get a good look at them. So the 3-pack consists of 4 pieces. These 2 pieces are identical. These are the center divider pieces. On the 2-pack, there's only going to be one of these. That's going to be the real only difference between the 3 and the 2-pack. Then you're going to have one bottom piece, which is going to look like this, and the top piece as well. What I like to do from here is to start by grabbing the top piece and give each one of the creases a good fold like this. You're going to notice some perforations here. We're going to make sure to not fold on those. Those need to stay unfolded, and we'll just fold the creases. The pre-folding here really helps with the general assembly of the insert, making sure that you're not really fighting any of the box features as you're putting it together. Just kind of gives you a good idea of how things want to fold. So once everything's pre-folded, we'll put that off to the side, grab the top piece, and we'll fold one side of the top piece down and then up, just like that, and hold it with one hand. Then we'll grab one of the divider pieces, give it a fold, kind of like a sandwich in half like that, and then line up one side of the slots with the side that you're working on here and give it a partial push down just like that. From there, you don't need to push it down all the way. You can just kind of leave it right there. We'll grab the other side, fold it down, fold it up, line up the slots, give it a little bit of a wiggle, and make sure that it's like located correctly. So from there, you can give it a good push down all the way down to the bottom of the box. We'll do that again with the other piece. Give it a fold, place it over the slots, and press down again. So again, the only difference is going to be on the 2-pack, you're going to only have one of these, creating 2 cavities, whereas right here we have 2 dividers creating 3 cavities for the aura. So this piece is now assembled fully and can now accept the aura vessel. So the aura vessels here you can see with different lids all have different varying heights, and the insert was designed to be used with all of those different lid types. So we're going to start by grabbing one of them, place it upside down into the insert. I know it's counterintuitive, but from here we'll just hold them upright and then turn them over upside down into the box. You'll see they kind of friction into place. There shouldn't really be any wiggle room there once you've got them in. From there, we can kind of slide that off to the side, grab the bottom piece, and same sort of thing. We're going to fold one side down, fold it up, pinch it with one hand, just like that, and then we'll slide over our insert here, and then locate the slots again on one side, and then the side that wants to kind of crease and fold down is going to go towards the other side of the insert. We'll fold it up similarly, place it down over the slots, give it a little bit of a wiggle, and then once everything's lined up, you can give it a good push down just like that. So now the insert's fully assembled, and this is how it's going to go into the box. Right side up, the pull tabs are going to be visible, and the tops of the auras are going to be facing towards the top of the box. Now that that's fully assembled, you can see it's really kind of a brick ready to go. I mean, that can slide off to the side just like that. Now we can focus on the box. So the box between the 3-pack and the 2-pack, virtually identical. The only difference is going to be in the overall length. It's going to be a little bit shorter on the 2-pack, but the assembly is going to be the exact same. So again, we're going to start by pre-folding each one of the creases. Just, you're going to find I always recommend doing this on any box, on any insert. Just really helps with the assembly process. Going to make sure to get the creases going the other direction. Give them a good fold. Okay, now once we did that, you're ready to start folding. So from here, you're going to notice one very interesting thing, that these 2 flaps look identical, except one has a chamfer on one corner. The chamfered side is the one that always gets folded first. So when we grab the flap, we want to fold them up, fold them in. You'll see the chamfers, the first flap folded, then the other one goes. And that creates a nice square wall here so the rollovers can come up and over and down and lock. So that gives us multiple materials, multiple layers of material on each side or each end of the box. Again, same thing on this side. We're going to fold the chamfered side in first, followed by the other flap. Then the rollover, down, and lock. Great, now the box is fully assembled, ready to go. So at this point, you can take the insert, drop it straight down into the box, just like that. And you'll see there's going to be a little bit of space on each side of the insert, and that's just enough to allow the dust flaps to go down into the side. So if you kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle, the dust flaps find their home, go straight down. Then we'll flip this around, make it a little easier to close. The little ears go in, and now the box is fully assembled. So again, this is for the 3-pack for the Wooden Wick Aura. And here we have a fully assembled 2-pack as well. And you can see what I was talking about there with the dividers. The only difference is going to be the 2-pack has 1 divider, the 3-pack has 2. And that's our zipper style for the 3-pack and 2-pack versions for the Wooden Wick Aura vessels. Thanks for watching.